Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today, we're going to do a special thing from my daughter, Stephanie. She's been wanting, she's having like, I don't know, hunger pains. She needs these chicken McWraps, but they don't have them anymore on the menu right now. So I said, make your own. She's like, I don't know, it's too much, but I'm going to show you just how easy this is. This is going to be so simple, so easy. And as a matter of fact, I even found the recipe for the little white sauce that they put on these silly things. It's not just mayonnaise. So without further ado, let's get to it. I have 6 minutes on the clock from my oven because I got my chicken in there. As you can see, the countdown, 5, 53, 52, okay? That's my chicken in there. See them in there? Got a cold piece of chicken. Yeah, that was Tyson's chicken I got in there. I tried to get a wheat wrap, but next best thing is a whole, nutritious tomato basil wrap. 8-inch one I got here. I wanted 10, but they only had these, so that's what we got. All right, so here is some sliced onion, tomato, some cucumber, and some salad. That's what was on the deconstructed ones I seen on the video. This is mayonnaise. This is a teaspoon here of onion powder, mustard powder here, half a tablespoon, and a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. So that's going to be the mix of the sauce. We're going to do that right now. Okay, camera girl was listening to me about the wrap. She feels guilty. So she's making a quick run to the store, and hopefully by the time she gets back, everything will be done. I don't think so, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the sauce that they put on the chicken things. And this goes on their chicken sandwich as well as the chicken burrito or chicken wrap, whatever you call it. Yeah, they don't have these on the menu right now, but they were like $4 or $5 a piece, I think, something like that. At least that's what I remember seeing. Anyway, I think these were almost invented like in Canada. The Canadian McDonald's up there came up with these. I think that's what it was, because it's something whole to do about the wraps that they use was whole wheat and all this kind of stuff. I don't know. What do I know? I don't know nothing. So I'm making this for my daughter Steph, right? So teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of the mustard powder. I got all this will all be in the description for you. And onion powder. How simple is that, huh? We'll mix all that together. Back you up for a minute. I was going to use a little whisk, but I'll use a fork. So anyway, we're mixing this here together. And this, I thought it was like, I always thought it was like mayonnaise, but it's mayonnaise. It's a mayonnaise base. And this probably isn't the 100% real deal either, but I tried looking up the special sauce for the Big Mac. I thought I found it one time before, but because they won't give, they won't tell you. People say it's Thousand Island. They say it's this. They say it's that. I don't know what it is, but the 3 or 4 places I could find where I thought I got it, I thought, I got the jackpot here. Nope, they wouldn't give up the recipe. And one guy said, I used to work with the manager, and he made the sauce himself. I'm like, come on. Well, then let's see it. Don't tease everybody. Okay. Well, it tastes pretty good. It actually tastes like what they put on the dang chicken things. I like those. The chicken sandwiches they got. Like little round piece of chicken they have on there. Yeah. Wow. That's impressive. Okay, so now we're still waiting on the oven, so we'll be back. Yeah, and if you add sweet chili sauce, that's another flavor that they have that goes with the chicken wrap they have, the Southwest, but I can't remember which one it's called, but what you have to add is this sweet chili sauce to your regular, the white sauce, and you got a sauce with a little kick. Okay, my friends, here you see we got the chicken going. Now, the wife only could find this. I would have a hard time getting these wheat ones, but this one's a spinach one, but it's the size that we wanted, so we're going to utilize that. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, Now, McDonald's doesn't do it like this. I watched what the guy took apart. I'm going to put some of that special sauce down right here. Okay. Then we're going to put some onion. I'm trying to remember this from the other day when I saw it on the thing. I wanted to make this as authentic as possible. So that's what I got going here, see? I try to slice everything a little extra thin today because I don't want to bust open the wrap. So we'll put a couple tomatoes on here. Okay. Get another nice one here. Put this one. Okay, we'll put a couple cucumbers on here. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Now, one of them didn't have no cucumbers. I just couldn't remember which one, so I put it on this one anyway. Now we're going to put a little lettuce, a little lettuce. Now notice I left room at the bottom here to fold stuff up. I'm going to put a piece of chicken here. And this one, I picked this out because it almost fits like a glove. Almost. Okay, so now we're going to wrap it. Not hard to wrap, maybe, if these things don't want to stay together. Now, don't go nowhere, not yet. Stay. Whew. Now, I don't have those wrap holders like McDonald's does, but I figured I can do like I've seen them do with on those foodie trucks, you see. They get a piece of aluminum foil, wrap that up like so, and you got your little holder, see? And there's your wrap. So we're going to give this a taste at the taste test table, and I'll tell you, I know it's going to taste good. So, you know what, I'm going to put a little more, I just thought about it, I'm going to put a little bit more sauce on that top. Only because I think I'm going to like it. Up here, on top of the chicken, see? And by the way, this Tyson chicken came out nice and crispy out of the oven. It was, I cooked it for 20 minutes. It said 18 to 20, so I left it in a couple, all the way to the max time. But it came out real good. So now we're going to wrap us up again. Wrap us up again. Give us a little fold here at the bottom. You know, that's another thing. You're paying for that silly little box it comes in. Okay, so there you have it. So we're going to head over to the table and give us a little taste test. Okay, I hope you guys will be able to see me in the sandwich or whatever, but the camera girl's busy working. So anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. Elmo liked it, but anyhow, we got a spinach wrap, which is probably healthier for you anyway. So we're going to take a bite. Stephanie, this is for you. This is how easy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I told you Tyson's was crunchy. Delicious. Anyway, I figured it all up. Everything that I bought and paid for is roughly $9, but I can make probably 8. It's enough for 8 sandwiches in that chicken bag. And the wraps, there was more wraps than what I matched the chicken. I'll tell you, quick and easy way to make this is just what we did. I could have, no, I can't believe the crunch in that chicken. And that's just the coating. The chicken's there too. But for what you get, you You have two of these. If you buy them from McDonald's, I don't think they're as big or as tasty. And you get 6 or 8 of them, and you can make yourself. And it's very little time. 18 minutes investing. 18, 20. We'll cook them. That white sauce is pretty good too. It's more than just a mayonnaise flavor. But anyhow. Without further ado, let's get to it. When you're out and about, cover up. Protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. When you're out and about, use a sanitizer. That little spray bottle or a little squeeze bottle with the goop in it. Wash them up. When you get home, wash them all again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's a nice one of these. Give us a like. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, the little notification bell will pop up and you hit that. And there'll be a description for everything we did here. Down in the description box. Recipe, ingredients, everything we used. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry. And when you are, come back and we'll give you another munchie just like that. All right, Steph, there you go. 1, 2, 3, it's done. This is Mr. Dan. We out.